So I have an office. Here we are. We're in the office here. And I have a track light on the ceiling. It used to have halogen bulbs. So I switched them out with LED bulbs, being the good citizen and saving some energy. But look, this one's burnt out already. What is happening? It flickered and then it just stopped working. There are some reasons why that might be happening. So if you'd like some answers, I might be able to help you. Track lights are awesome because you can adjust them and point them wherever you'd like. Here's how they come off. There's a spring-loaded sleeve that gets pulled down and then you twist it off the track. Let's go to the workbench. Why do LED bulbs sometimes flicker? Well, there are a few reasons. Is the connection loose inside of here? If you have a dimmer on the wall, are the LED bulbs dimmable? Some are not. So look on the box before you buy. Is the dimmer LED compatible? You may need to change out the dimmer as well. Here's a good clue to see if they're LED compatible. On the side here, there's an adjustment wheel. See that right there? Right. You can put a little screwdriver in there, move it back and forth. It adjusts the dimming feature on the bulbs when it's at its lowest. But just to make sure, when you buy a dimmer, look on the box. All right? And contrary to popular belief, LED bulbs do burn out. The cheaper the bulb, the shorter the lifespan. Even though this says, where does it say it right here? 11,000 hours, 10 years. Well, I mean, I paid 14 bucks for this box of, how many are in here? 6, and I'm already replacing them. So let's replace this one. Well, this is the old halogen bulb, see that? So this says MR16. Bring the fixture back in. There are some fixtures that the LED bulb is integrated, so you may not be able to even change the bulb. Here it is, you push it down, you turn it, you pop it out. And that's how that goes. There's the old one, here's the new one. We're gonna put it in just like that, push it down, turn it, and we're gonna get it back into that little spring deal. Every light fixture has some different gadget or doodad to hold the bulb in, so yours may not be exactly like this. And you just shove it back in there. There you go. Stick it back up there, give it a twist, and we wait for the next bulb to burn out. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.